We're going to start with the man standing in the middle of the dance floor casually. You can even place your hands in your pockets and wait for the lady to approach you. Ladies, during first 4 beats, stay in one place, moving your hips from side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the count of 5, start walking forward with your right leg. The goal is to walk around the man. And right, left. Now you can simply continue walking around or add the counterclockwise rotation. Right leg, left one, look at your partner and place your right hand on his shoulder. Continue walking around and right, left, right. Give your left hand to the man, take one more step with the left leg, bend your knee, take a side step away from your partner onto the right leg. Let's now focus on the man's perspective. Your job is to follow the lady with your gaze. As she walks behind you, you can shift your body weight from the left leg to the right one to maintain your eye contact. As the lady walks in front of you, take your right hand out of your pocket and give it to the lady. Grab the lady's hand, bend your right knee slightly and push off the right leg, taking a side step to the left. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,